Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to restore a recently deleted post on TikTok on iPhone or Android. Let's get into the method. Open the app first and then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. On here, tap on the three lines icon in the top right corner and then choose Settings and Privacy from the list that appears. Within the settings, choose Activity Center, then Recently Deleted, and then tap on the post you want to restore, and tap on Restore at the bottom and then confirm this. That's how to restore a recently deleted post on TikTok on iPhone or Android. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.